The Give Totals widget is a short statistical version of the Give Form widget. Instead of a full page display, a progress bar with a few words might prove helpful in some cases. That's why we made this widget. First of all, from the Content tab, you need to select the form you want to display stat of. Once selected, you can separately set the goal amount here. Also, the displayed message is customizable. Add a donation page link and you are pretty much done. The Style tab offers 4 sections to customize the heading, title, progress bar, message, and linked text. The settings are basically colors, borders, paddings, etc. Once you get what you desire, it's time to put it on display. That's it. Please like and subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching.